Hi, this is Bobby Moore, and I will be showcasing my blended learning model. I picked station rotation. What is blended learning? Blended learning is creating a lesson that has a mixed amount of technology use and non-technology use. These two don't have to be like 50-50. It could be just 70-30. They just have to both use technology and not use it. There are several different models that can be used, like a flipped classroom, or like what I chose, station rotation. There's a bunch more that can be used as well. The station rotation model is a teaching style that has the students move between different stations during a class period. Stations can be a mix of whole group, small group, and individual activities. In this specific example model, we will have two separate stations, including one independent technology station and one small group station. At the end of both of those times, all the students would join back together for a whole group activity. My technology standard I chose was grades 3 through 5 because that's the standards I'm most familiar with during my field experiences. This standard, I specifically chose Learning Priority and 5C's Connection, and I chose the D variant of this. The standard states students use digital resources and tools to explore real-world issues and problems, and collaborate with others to find answers or solutions. We'll start with Station 1, the small group. For the small group station, students will be separated into obviously smaller groups that are all around the same reading level. They will take turns reading paragraphs of a Ranger Rick news article about the Galapagos tortoises. Each group will read the article and will have to write, show, or share 3 interesting facts they discovered. There will probably be a worksheet so they can write it down on. For Station 2, we have Independent Technology. In this station, students will use the internet to research more about either Galapagos tortoises or the Galapagos Islands. They'll do it by themselves, as independent implies. Students should look to see what current issues are impacting the Galapagos Islands and their native animals, like the Galapagos tortoises. Then we get to Station 3, the whole group activity. In this station, students will all come back together on the carpet or wherever their joint meeting group is. We will then go around the circle one by one, and each student will share one thing they found interesting. After they all shared, I will pose a guiding question about how could these problems connect to our local environment and local areas. One example of this could be the sewage spill that happened in the Potomac recently. Thank you for watching my model.